Hey everybody, welcome. So today I've got a piece of Hackberry that I'm going to try to turn into a bowl. It's already got quite a bit of cracking and checking. A few months ago, a lady I work with and one of the neighbors had a humongous hackberry tree in their backyard that fell over in a storm because of a bunch of rain and everything. I guess it just uprooted it, but it was huge. And they said, we're just going to pay somebody to come cut it up and haul it away, so if you can come and beat them here, you can take whatever you want. So there's some cedar mixed in, but I got all this right here, a few pieces of oak, but I got all this, and it's more than I can do anything with right now. And when I got it a few months ago was when everything at work happened, and I just threw it in the building and forgot about it and didn't seal it or anything. So there's lots of cracking and checking, so hopefully I don't lose too much of it, but we'll see what we get. Stick around. I'm going to fill these cracks with some shavings and glue, and I'll be right back. Alright, I told you it's going to be like starting all over. I forgot to start this camera doing this. I'm not used to using two cameras. I'm trying something new, so I formed this, filled that with CA. We're going to finish shaping. Alright, now from Abrasive sanding paste. It got faded. I left it outside. It's usually yellow. Try some Howard's Feed and Wax. See if we can get a little bit of a shine. I don't want a whole lot of shine, but get down in these little crevices. Plus it just smells good. Alright, I'm going to let that dry and then I'm going to turn it around and do some hollowing. Alright, well, I sanded up to 220. Yep, because that's all I got. Used up all my 400. Wipe this down with some denatured alcohol, which I forgot to do on the bottom because it's been a while. So that'll be alright though. Alright, let's go back to some axe. That's pretty good. Look at that. I don't know if it's getting that shine or not. That's pretty right there. Alright, I'm going to let that soak in for a little bit. I'll come back and call this one finished. Alright, so here it is. I'm quite happy with that. Maybe it didn't fly apart like the last one with a bunch of cracks, but when I was cutting it, I thought this was going to be some plain, boring wood, and well, at least this piece anyway isn't, so hopefully the rest of it will turn out fairly nice. This one actually went well, it went quick, and it was very nice as a first project back. So thanks for watching. I'll put some stills up here in a little bit, and hope you guys have a blessed day. See you next time.